Hey guys, what's going on? It's Untitled Garage, and today we're taking a look at one of my favorite brand new cars, the factory fresh 2016 BMW M2. The Hot Wheels BMW M2 is a new model for the 2018 G case, which I just unboxed in my last video. The car is painted in BMW's signature Long Beach blue metallic color, and I think it looks fantastic. So let's open up this BMW and take a look at it out of the package. The Hot Wheels M2 has the signature BMW kidney grille, a logo on the hood, as well as LED headlights and the M-styled front end. It's also got some nice black rims that really give this car an aggressive stance. On the back end, we have the signature LED taillights, BMW logo, M2 badge, Hot Wheels on the license plate, and some really cool exhaust pipes. There are so many different Hot Wheels colors of the BMW M4 that I think we can expect some new colors for this BMW M2 as well. Now let's take a look at the M2 next to the M4. So there we have the brand new Hot Wheels BMW M2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more new Hot Wheels cars, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.